Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have this incredible dessert for you. A cake with cornmeal and frozen fruits, berries in my case, and with lots of poppy seeds. Looks amazing and it's really easy to prepare. So I have here cornmeal, about 3/4 of a cup, sugar, poppy seeds. You're gonna find all the ingredients in the description box. Hot water, really hot water. Flour, about 175 grams. Baking powder, lemon juice and lemon zest, berries, and I use frozen ones, but you can use fresh if you have, and some sunflower oil. In a bowl I'm gonna add cornmeal, poppy seeds, sugar and lemon zest. Cover all of these with hot water and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Cornmeal will hydrate and everything will be nice and delicious. A fluffy cake indeed. So let this aside until the water is gonna cool down as well. I'm gonna mix here flour, baking powder, so all dry ingredients. And I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon out of this mixture just to put over my fruits. This way I'm gonna make sure that the fruits will not sink at the bottom of the cake. So they will float in all that batter. I have here lemon juice, and I'm gonna pour these over the cornmeal and poppy seeds. Add flour, mix everything, and add oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but vegetable oil will work just fine. And add all those berries. Pour your batter in a silicone mold that I line with baking paper, and I bake it in the oven at low temperature around 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit, I think, for about 30 minutes. Let it cool down a bit, just a tiny bit. Take it out of the mold. It's easier if you use some baking paper. Even if you use a silicone mold, it's easier to take the cake out. As you can see, it didn't crack anything. And I'm gonna make a glaze with about 50 grams of powdered sugar and lemon juice. Just add lemon juice gradually and mix in until you get a really nice consistency of this glaze. You don't need it to be too thick but not too runny, so just like a nice glaze, as you can see, that you can pour over your cake but stays there, doesn't pour over your cake. Glaze your dessert while it's still hot and let it cool down completely before you slice it. It's a really nice combination between poppy seeds and lemon juice and lemon zest. I don't know, it's something that you have to try, and this glaze just brings everything together. I really hope you're gonna try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up to the recipe if you like it. Looks amazing when you slice it, and this with a cup of tea. Ooh, yeah, sounds amazing, right? If you try this recipe, let a comment down below. I would love to hear your voice, your feedback. Looks really nice and yellow because of the cornmeal. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up to the recipe if you enjoy it, and I'm gonna see you here next time. Find reasons to smile. Bye.